our kitty can draw friendly. Ready to draw the cutest, bounciest, loudest toy ever? Today we're drawing Chattermax from Bluey. Let's start. First, draw an oval shape for the beak and a half circle inside. Then draw a circle that's partially hidden behind the beak on the left side. Draw another circle that's a little bit smaller inside, and a smaller circle in the center. Then color it. Repeat the same steps on the other side for the other eye. To make the feathers, on the left side, draw half an oval shape. Then draw another one next to it that's partially hidden behind it. Repeat the same step 2 more times. Do the same thing on the other side, above the right eye. To make the second layer of feathers, on the left side, draw half an oval shape. Then draw another one that's partially hidden behind it. Repeat the same step 3 more times, making the feathers longer as you go upwards. Repeat the same steps on the other side. If you like this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. Connect the 2 sets of feathers in the middle with a small line. Then draw a vertical line coming down from each side. Then draw a long letter C on the right side. And close it on the outer side with 3 half circles. Draw the mirror image of the letter C on the other side. And close it similarly to finish the wings. Draw a curve coming down from each wing, going inwards, and connect them together with a horizontal line. For the feet, draw half an oval shape at the bottom, and draw 2 curved lines inside for the toes. Repeat the same steps for the other foot. Draw half a square on the belly with rounded corners. Draw a curved line connecting the beak to each side. Now decorate the upper layer of feathers with small circles. Now you can draw Chattermax from Bluey. Now grab the colors of your choice and let's start coloring. To show light reflection on any surface, while coloring, leave a small line without color, or use a white pen or pencil over your colors.